Tip number 6, studying the latest PMI articles on the PMI website. This is going to be helpful. It's a short tip, but then can be important because of the changing nature of the project management industry. It's important to see what has changed recently, and PMI is the best place to see that. So you go to the PMI website and you can actually search for something like, let's say, earned value management. And you might be able to find some articles on the recent trends in earned value management. There are two ways to do your searches. One, you may want to pick up a specific item where you think you are not very clear about the subject, and maybe you can read a white paper or case study or a document at the PMI website. Or you can also select, maybe you have heard some latest trends in the industry and you want to know more about that. So you can try both of them, and by doing this, it actually helps you to understand what you know already in a much better way, and also to get some new things which you have not heard about in the past.